In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Private Internet Access VPN app on your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Alright, so I'll first uninstall it. Now to get started, go to Google Play Store if you are on Android smartphone or App Store if you are on iPhone. For this case, I'm on Android and therefore I'll go to Google Play Store, tap on it to open. And from here, you should see a search bar on top here, search for your app by name. But first, make sure you are logged in with your Gmail. However, you can see I don't have that search bar here. If you don't see it, you should go to a search icon here, click on it. And when you tap on it, now you have a search bar. You can now proceed and search for your app. So I'll search for Private Internet Access. You can see it is here. I'll tap on it. So we have quite a number of VPNs here, but we are interested in one called Private Internet Access. Tap on it to expose the details. To know that it's the right app, make sure it is from PIA, Private Internet Access Incorporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.4 with over 99,000 reviews. And as you can see, it is verified. At the time of recording this app has over 10 million downloads. This might have changed by the time you're watching this. So if you see these details, you will know that you have the right app and it's time to install it. And also take note of the logo. This is the current logo. So I'll tap on install and this will download the latest version of this VPN and install it. Once this VPN app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open from here. Or if you go back to your apps, now you should see we have our Private Internet Access VPN app here. Now you can proceed, go ahead and log in to start using it. So that's how you can install the right Private Internet Access VPN on your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.